Having a good grip on things can make a big difference. Just like good contact between the tires of your Subaru and the road. If your tires have low tread depth after many miles of driving, noticeable irregular wear, or non-repairable damage from a road hazard, they should be replaced immediately. And we want you to know that we're your best source. We know your vehicle unlike anyone else, so we'll outfit your Subaru with the correct tire size it was engineered to drive on. You can even browse tire options at our online tire center. To see competitive pricing, request an instant quote and schedule for installation. Then our experienced factory-trained technicians will mount and balance them properly, so you can drive safely, right on course. We're here to help. Make it last.